Hi, what's up XRP holders? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special and very important for all of you, because my brother, you know, this time XRP war fails down. So definitely it's important for all of you, because it is need, my friends, to you will watch, to you will be safe from the loss, my brother. So let's get started the live price prediction video. But please, if you are new my channel, I have request to subscribe this channel, and after that please press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, XRP war fails down in previous days, my friend, very badly. Other my friend, everybody know this too. In those days, every coin will pumps up, not a dump time. It's a pump time, but I can't expect from XRP to they will fails down like that. So what's the big reason? What's the main reason, my friends, to the price will fails down? I found just one reason, my friend. In those days, every coin will pumps up, but they were fails down because short-term investors are starting selling. So this is the main reason, my friends, to short-term investors are starting selling. And experts says, my friends, to if they will collaborate with a lot of companies, so absolutely there is a chance to the price will hit now $2 to $3. But this is need, my friend, to holders focus. If you are be active, and if you are starting holding, if you are starting investing more and more, so definitely this is possible. Otherwise, my friend, XRP will fails down more and more in upcoming days, and they cannot give you a profit. So definitely, my friend, if you can see, my friend, this time the chart, so that's clear. You can see it, they were fails down, and if they hit the resistance line, so that's absolutely, my friend, fails down, so they cannot give you a profit. So holder, I have just only one request from all of you to, if you want to get a profit now, hold now. There is no chance to you will start selling. If you start selling, so the price will more fails down. So be ready for a good time, my friends. Please hold now and don't start selling. See you next time. Please like video and subscribe channel.